So I think the referring veterinarian is like the key part because they're the one that's communicating with the owner with what the diseases that are going on and the diagnostic tests and implementing that. I think there's should be some back and forth a little bit with it. There may be some more information that needs to be gotten from additional lab work where we could do follow-up on if we're suggesting a particular test or some information that's missing in the history that can be added on later. So that's a really key part of being that communication between the specialist and the pet owner. And follow-up is often needed when that additional stuff comes in, but that's what we're there for, is to kind of integrate that in. And we want to make them be able to be more comfortable in managing that condition with our help. And again, it's more because it's perhaps what we deal with the more frequently, being a specialist in that area, that we're very comfortable with talking about how to manage it, but bringing the veterinarian up to also feeling comfortable with managing those cases.